Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Envato, Sora, and Designs.ai. Envato AI, Sora, and Designs.ai are three forward-thinking AI platforms, each offering unique strengths for different types of digital content creation. Envato AI, built into Envato Elements, helps users generate and customize creative assets more efficiently. It offers AI-powered template suggestions, intuitive editing, and access to a vast library of design resources. This makes it a good choice for marketers, freelancers, and creatives looking to speed up their workflow. Users can quickly get started with Google Sign-in and begin customizing templates right away. Its strength lies in transforming pre-designed templates into new variations based on user input. However, it still lags behind in creating fully original designs compared to some cutting-edge AI tools. Sora, created by OpenAI, is a groundbreaking AI model that converts written prompts into photorealistic video clips. It generates realistic motion, lighting, and scenery, opening new possibilities for visual storytelling. With its advanced control over camera angles and environments, it caters to filmmakers, educators, and advertisers. Although not publicly released yet, early demo shows immense potential for reducing production costs and time. Still, its realism has sparked ethical debates around the risk of misuse for misinformation or deepfakes. Designs.ai is a user-friendly creative suite that lets users design logos, videos, voiceovers, and graphics using AI. It's perfect for beginners, small businesses, and those needing fast, affordable branding content. With support for multiple languages and a cloud-based interface, it's easy to use across regions. Yet, due to its heavy use of templates, it may not offer much originality or deep customization. In conclusion, Sora dominates in high-end video generation, Envato AI excels in smart design customization, and Designs.ai is best for quick, entry-level branding work. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.